Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix your iPhone screen stuck. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes under the video, and please write your comments after watching. So, let's you and me friends get down to the topic. If for some reason your screen is not responding to you, it is kind of stuck in one place, it happens, then you can only do one thing to make this error disappear. You will need to forcibly reboot your iPhone. To do this, you will need to press the volume up, down, and then the shutdown button. How does this work? You'll need to first quickly press the boost button and the down button, then immediately press and hold down the off button. Now I'll show you how it works. So, the up button, the down button, and then you press the off button. But you don't release your finger like I did, you hold it down. This way, you will completely reboot and shut down your iPhone. Friends, this is the only way you can fix your stuck screen on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon, friends.